for the WCW Heavyweight Championship.
He is the greatest technical wrestler in WWE history.
This is a man called the most credible WWE champion of all time.
Yeah, here's what I respect immensely about Bret the Hitman Hart. This is a man who always stuck by his principles, even if they were unpopular at the time.
The excellence of execution has arrived.
One of the handful of men who could say they literally changed the business. And I'd say tonight is shaping up to be another business-changing night, courtesy of the Hitman. Ha ha ha! Are you guys ready?
The champ comes into his title defense incredibly confident, Corey.
And with good reason, Cole. When you're the champ, you don't have to worry about winning. You just have to make sure you don't lose. That is the champion's advantage.
Listen, I don't advise going hold for hold tonight because you're going up against the greatest technician in WWE history.
That is fantastic advice, Cole. Got to come up with a game plan quick because the Hitman never misses.
Introducing the challenger. From Calgary, Alberta, Canada, weighing in at 235 pounds, Bret the Hitman Hart. And his opponent, from Charlotte, North Carolina, weighing in at 243 pounds, the WCW Heavyweight Champion, Flair.
Look at the adjective, championship.
WCW was the biggest competitor to WWE for nearly 2 decades, even eclipsing WWE's popularity for a long time.
Taking flight on the middle rope, drops the elbow.
Yokes up their opponent. Driven down with a sidewalk slam.
Now shoulders down.
Here we go.
He's determined to keep this matchup going. Leg drop.
Big back body drop. Ooh. Hitman is performing with such precision right now.
Bret came with a game plan, and he's executing it.
Oh, and a stomp. Some damage being dealt to the champ.
Yeah, the Hitman is firing off rounds here and is on target.
Bret Hart is a superstar.
This could do it.
2. He could have had this wrapped up. Not sure why he let up.
No way!
Taking a flight to nowhere.
A gnarly landing. That's why you can't get caught up in the heat of the moment.
An all-around bad decision.
Our champion is doing everything possible to make sure their opponent can't stand up. Heading to the top turnbuckle now.
Target locked in. He knows it's that time.
Flying all the way down to the floor.
Good God, just a disgusting thud heard here at ringside. Metal rope forearm on point.
Boom!
In the corner, has to find a way out of there.
Face first. For the middle rope. Bulldog.
The champ left railing a little by that last blow.
Yeah, Hart knows that now is a time where his execution has to be flawless.
The momentum is squarely on Hitman's side now.
And this is what the Hitman does. He's focused.
Look out! Crashing to the floor.
Reckless and foolhardy. You can't just hurl yourself out of the ring like that without knowing for sure that you're going to connect.
It was a terrible landing, but looks like everyone's okay enough to continue.
Knee left! Vertical suplex.
He is getting rid of the turnbuckle pad. Don't say that too loud, Saxon. You might get caught.
Tossed around like a rag doll.
I've seen Saxon thrown out of a few local bars like that before.
Please don't remind me, Corey. Has him up for the power slam.
Countered into an inverted DDT.
Whack! Oh, God.
Golly, that sounded rough.
Focusing on.
Oh, for the title.
Big kick out.
You have to think this match is starting to take its toll.
Maybe not, maybe not. Champ with the shoulder up.
He really thought that was it.
Dropped him with a big shoulder tackle.
The challenger enduring the punishment.
Perched up top.
Diving knee drop. Bret is not finding a way to gain the edge.
The Hitman is showing some vulnerabilities in his game. And he wants more. Right.
Watch out.
Going for it. Perhaps we're going to see it. The sharpshooter.
It is in and it is deep. And writhing in pain, trying to find an escape.
I think his hopes of that are running out quick.
There's no way out.
Oh, no, Bret, you spoke too soon, Corey.
Hart wasting no motion on the counter.
There's a crucifix. Nicely done.
2. He cuts the pin attempt short.
Dropping the leg. And the Hitman must be feeling very confident now. He usually doesn't take his focus off an opponent. No! Suicide dive! Went straight to the outside and landed right on the target.
A textbook example of high risk, high reward right there. Hooked up.
Ah, shin breaker. Ooh, vicious kick to the spine. He counters with a great reversal.
Carefully measured knee drop.
Step through, here it comes. Figure 4 locked in. Submission is in. All kinds of pressure and pain being inflicted on the leg by this hold.
Now, even if you survive it, it's going to be hell to stand up again.
Look at this, trying to spin his body on the stomach. Does. And that'll break the hold.
He just flipped the script there.
Trading back and forth blows now.
Ooh. Big shots being fired right now. Neither competitor letting up.
It looks like we've got ourselves a brawl here.
The willpower, the sheer guts of these two.
Boom! Two fighters putting their haymakers on autopilot right now.
This is a war of attrition with neither superstar wanting to be the one who surrenders.
They are rapid fire shots. Neither superstar backing down. That shot ends things.
Trying to debilitate cover
For the title. No, the title still hangs in the balance.
I cannot believe what I'm seeing right now. No one can.
What a maneuver. And it's a tough spot for Hart.
Yeah, gonna need to see some perseverance from Bret if he wants to stay in this.
Counters.
Bret showing how much punishment he can withstand before getting his own offense in.
Good chance for Bret to gain his wits about it.
Another vicious attack to his head.
That's the kind of offense that could ruin your whole balance.
It's been an hellacious encounter thus far.
The tides have swung in multiple directions. It's anyone's guess how this one's gonna end. This is gonna be ugly, no doubt about it.
Slingshot.
Decapitator.
Hooked up.
Shin breaker. And an inverted atomic drop.
Bret Hart looking to end things.
Sharpshooter. Submission hold locked in. Bret's got the sharpshooter locked in.
Hart is leaning back far.
What's his opponent gonna do? Is Hart gonna tap him with the sharpshooter? Wait a minute! What a counter! Big back body drop.
What elevation.
Oh, what a knee lift.
Somebody better check his nose.
Figure four. Submission is in.
Got this one.
Finds the ropes to force a break.
A prime example of why you need to know where you are at all times. He is looking to do some serious harm.
Oh, foot just. The champ goes for the cover. He breaks the ref's count after one.
If that won't beat him, I'm not sure anything will.
Ooh, answer that with a stiff knee.
Looks like he's coming back in. Great hip toss.
Might not know where exactly he is right now, and it's about to get worse. Targets the gut to end the offense.
Retaliation from the Hitman.
There's the crucifix. Nicely done. And he's got him in his sights. Got him right where he wants him. Look out!
Suicide dive!
Showing reckless abandon. There was every chance that could have gone wrong, but instead, it was right on the money. And into the corner he goes.
That'll stop you in your tracks.
Tearing down the leg Step through, here it comes. Figure four locked in. Submission is in.
The leg is only getting cinched in deeper, struggling to force him.
Got it. And the champ adds to their legacy.
We're going to be hard-pressed to see a better match than that. Here's another look.
Here's your winner, and still WCW World Heavyweight Champion, Ric Flair.
There he is, the champion, standing tall after this defense.
What a title defense by the champion.
Yeah, he left it all in the ring tonight with the type of performance that's defined his title reign.